Alright, so welcome to this tutorial. In this you will learn Microsoft Dynamics 365 sign up process. So I'm going to show you how can you start with the application, and it's a free trial, so you get 30-day free trial. You don't have to purchase any licenses, you don't have to purchase any subscription, and for full 30 days you can practice on the application and get familiar with this. Right, so let's talk about that. So as I said earlier, Microsoft provides 30-day free trial for Dynamics 365, and you will get access to full functionality during the trial period. So there is no restriction. All you need to do is sign up and start using the application. And you can sign up for Dynamics 365 free trial by using the link just given under resources or below this video. So depending on where you're watching this training, you'll be able to find the link under the resources or below this video. And you can choose any one of the app to start with your free trial. You can choose Dynamics 365 for sales or customer service, field service, or project service automation. So you can use any one of those. This is the trial page where you can sign up for the trial. And if you see the top 4 applications, these are related to CRM functionalities, right? The below one are related to the enterprise or ERP solutions. We'll be focusing only on sales, customer service, field service, and project service automation. So you can choose any one of those applications and then start the free trial. So the sign up URL is trials.dynamics.com. So this is a trial URL, and now let me show you how can you sign up for the trial. All right, so here I am in Dynamics 365 trial page. So it says start your digital transformation here. Choose an app to explore how Dynamics 365 can help transform your business. To begin with, choose the app below. So as I said earlier, these are the 4 apps: sales, customer service, field service, and project service automation are part of CRM application, and the below ones are part of the ERP applications or the marketing application, right? So we'll be choosing any one of them. So you can choose any one based on your requirements, but let's start with the sales. Select sales, and then you scroll down, you have option to enter here. Now if you're signing up for your own company and you want to start using the application, if you have decided, then you can choose your work email and phone number to get started. But in case if you're signing up for the development purpose or for trial, then definitely this is the way. So you can just click sign up here, and then it asks, are you a partner or Microsoft employee? So there's a different experience. So in case if you are a Microsoft employee or you are a partner, then you should just sign in. But in case if you're not, then click no continue sign up. Okay, so no continue signing up, and then you will get to this page. Now the first thing you need to add here is the country. So which country do you belong to, from where you will be accessing the application, or which country your customer is from. You need to choose this country, and once you do this, you cannot change it because Microsoft is going to choose the best data center or the instance available for that particular location, and once they have done it, you will not be able to change the location, right? So make sure you choose the right one. So for me, I'm just gonna choose the default one, United States, because this is just for demo. But in case we implement for our customers, or as we implement for our company, we choose our own country, which is India, right? So you can choose your own country based on your requirements, but please note that once you have done it, you cannot change it. Now here I'm going to enter my details. So you enter your first name, your last name. It works with your Gmail and Yahoo as well, Outlook email as well. So you can put any of the email addresses that you have. So I'll just paste here one email address that I have. I'll put my phone number, and then put the company name. So in case if you don't have the company, you are doing it for yourself or learning it, then you can put your name. Okay, so that is also available. Then you choose the language. So for United States, English and Spanish is available. You can choose the language as per your requirements. This will determine the interface of the application. So we'll just choose English. And then what is the organization size? Is it 1 person, 2 to 4, or 5 to 9, or 10 to 24? So based on your requirement, you can choose that and click next. So once you click next, the next step is to create your ID. So this ID you will use to log in to Dynamics 365 applications. So I'll just put my name, and then here you need to put your company name. So it can be your company name or any name which is available. Okay, so it doesn't have to be your company name. It can be anything that you can remember, right? So let me just put that. Okay, so I have just tried this. Let me see if it's available. So you can see that now this link is available for me to sign up. Now I'm going to create a password. So I'll just enter the password here, create a password which you can remember, and once you're done with this, just click create my account. Now Microsoft will ask you to make sure that you are a person, you are not a robot, just to prevent the spam. So either you can ask them to call you or text you. So choose your country code. So let me just choose mine. Okay, I put my phone number. So you need to put your phone number here, and then you click text me. Now they're going to send you SMS. That verification code, you need to enter it here. So let's give it a few seconds for me to receive the verification code, and then I'm going to enter that in here. So I've got the verification code and I've entered it here, and now I'm just going to click next. Now Microsoft is going to prepare the setup. So make a note of this sign-in URL, open a notepad and copy this URL, and also copy your username and password so it's easy for you to remember, and also you don't forget. Anyways, Microsoft will send you the email once your sign up process is complete, but it is always good to keep this information saved, right? So let's give it a few more seconds. It's now creating my profile. Make sure you don't refresh this page, because if you do, then everything else will go away. So you might need to restart the entire process. So now you can see it's done. I just need to click setup to set up the environment. So the sign up process is complete. Now I need to set up that what are the applications I want to use in Dynamics 365. So I just click setup here. And then it asks me, okay, what application or which scenario that fits best. So you can choose any one of them as you need. So you can choose sales or customer service, field or project service automation based on your requirements, or you can choose all of them. Okay, so I'm going to use all of them. I would highly recommend you to use the same, all of these, so that you have all the functionalities. So when I show you the demo of the application, you have the same way in your application as well, right? So that's there. Then next is your currency country. So which currency you want to work with. So you can choose the currency, the country and the currency. Now, once you do that, you will not be able to change it. So this is the currency which your organization is going to use for doing all the transactions with your customers, right? So I'm going to choose all of these. I would say you should also do that and click complete setup. So now it is setting up. It may take some time. So let's give it a few seconds. Okay, so now it has completed the sign up process. So based on your choice, like what kind of apps you have chosen and which location you are in, so based on that, it may take some time, but it should not take more than like 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, if it's taking more time, then you stay with this, don't refresh, don't close. Okay, because if you do that, then you need to restart the process. So this is the simplest process to sign up. I hope you get it, and I would highly recommend you to sign up for the trial of 30 days and start working with the application. So let's give it a few more seconds for the application to load. So it's already done. All right, so now you can see that the application is loaded, and here you can see the functionality. So currently it's sales, service. Now this is the base marketing. This is not the Dynamics 365 for marketing. It comes with the sales module or sales functionality, right? And you have other functionalities also on the left hand side. You can see you have field service, you have project service, plus they have interactive experience. So this is the web application that you can see, but it also has the interactive experience, which is more robust and useful. So that's something I'm going to show you once we start with the application. So that's the sign up process. I hope you find it easy. In case if you face any challenges, feel free to get back. So that's for this video, and I will see you in the next video tutorial.